Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable secure playback in Brave browser to help fix Spotify playback problems. So this setting allows Brave to play protected media content correctly, which can solve issues when songs or other supported content will not play. So first, I want you to open Brave browser on your computer, and once it opens or once it loads, click the three-line menu icon in the upper right corner, and from the menu select settings to open the browser's main option. Next, look at the menu on the left and click Privacy and Security. After that, select Site and Shield Settings. So this section lets you control how websites access certain browsers features and protected content. Now, scroll down and open Additional Content Settings. From the options shown, click Protected Content IDs, and you should now see two protected content settings. So make sure sites can play protected content is enabled, then enable sites that can use identifiers to play protected content as well. So these options allow supported websites like Spotify to access the components needed to verify and play protected media. So once both settings are turned on, secure playback should now be enabled in Brave browser. You can now return to Spotify and try playing your music again to check whether the issue has been fixed. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.